Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. Microsoft's cloud gaming platform, previously known as xCloud and now part of their Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, is finally going to be available on iOS devices, but not in a way that Apple would like. The platform has been available to Android users since August. The two tech giants have been in disagreement this year, since Apple told Microsoft that in order to have their cloud gaming service available in the iOS App Store, they would need to submit each game they plan to make available on the service to the App Store individually. Not to mention that Apple would be taking a solid 30% cut of the profit from the subscription plan on iOS devices. Microsoft felt that this was not feasible and previously suggested they would find another way, which is exactly what they've done. So, what's their solution? By not using the App Store at all. Instead, customers can access the service through a web browser just like any other website. The same approach is being used by Nvidia's GeForce Now, which also recently announced its own web browser solution for iOS. Amazon's upcoming game streaming service Luna will also be using the same workaround. This has the added effect of bringing back Fortnite to iOS devices through cloud streaming, despite Apple's ban on the game from the App Store over disagreements with Epic Games about payment fees. How Apple will respond to this is yet to be seen. On the one hand, there's really not much they can do. They don't have the power to ban users from accessing the websites, and even if they did, just imagine the outrage that would cause. At the same time, this is costing them a lot of potential revenue, and it also isn't a good look for the App Store, which has already been under fire this year, not just from several large companies, but also governments. For example, earlier this year, the App Store was under investigation for violating EU competition rules. The App Store is a significant part of Apple's overall income. In 2019, it brought in over $46 billion, accounting for 18% of the company's revenue, something they certainly are not prepared to lose. Now, in fairness, this App Store cut is not unique to Apple. Google has pretty much the exact same system in place for their Play Store, taking 30% of the revenue earned from in-app purchases and subscriptions. Microsoft, in contrast, is only taking a 15% cut from purchases made on Windows devices, although they did say in March that they would be reducing this cut to only 5%, which after some time magically disappeared from their developer agreement. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.